So, what if you could intern at a university known for creating world-changing startups? We're going to break down a summer research program that could put you on that exact path. It's an Institute of Eminence, a top-tier status from India's government. That's a huge deal. And get this, in the QS Asia University rankings, it's ranked 15th in India.
They've pulled in nearly 400 crore rupees in research funding in just 5 years.
That cash fuels an ecosystem that's produced 14 unicorns and even one decacorn. Wow! In fact, over 7,500 founders and co-founders are BITS alumni. Absolutely incredible.
So how do you get in on this? Well, that's where the ViSRI program comes in.
It's a hands-on summer research internship just for undergrads at the Pilani Campus.
The whole point is to build your core research skills, from the ground up.
Okay, so what's actually in it for you? Let's look at the direct benefits. You get an attractive stipend, full access to their facilities, and sessions with top experts. It's an intensive 8-week deep dive, so you're really going to be immersed in it. All right, thinking of applying? You really need to mark these dates on your calendar.
Applications close on February 23rd, 2026, and you'll know by March 16th.
You'll be working on emerging research topics right alongside faculty mentors.
So this is your shot, a chance to join a real legacy of innovation.